You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
And attempts inside Uganda. And you will read the statement verbatim. The press release is dated 18th March 2024, and it is on infiltration into the country by some elements of ADF, Allied Democratic Forces. Ladies and gentlemen, as you may recall, last year, late October 2023, 10 elements of ADF terrorists under the command of Kamusu and Injovu infiltrated the country through the districts of Kasese and caused death to tourists, attacked Lubiriha Secondary School, and killed students there. They burnt a lorry carrying traders with their merchandise. They later crossed to Kamwenge district and attacked innocent civilians. Since then, their commander, Wanu Kamusu, was killed, and his second in command, Injovu, was captured and currently undergoing trial. The group was destroyed, and operations have further scattered the ADF elements into the jungles of DRC. These revenge acts of terrorism were occasioned by sustained joint operations of UPDF and FARDC or FRDC, which is the armed forces of DRC, and Operation Shuja, and strategic airstrikes that unleashed ADF and their hideouts in areas in eastern DRC, in general areas of Irumu, Mambasa, and later in command about 146 kilometers from our common border with DRC. These revenge acts of terrorism have not stopped. Our attacks on ADF in DRC also has continued. Joint intelligence forces have now confirmed that 2 days ago, another group has infiltrated the country with the same mission. This group is suspected to be under the command of a notorious ADF commander, Ahmad Muhammad Hassan, aka Abu Wakas. This man is a Tanzanian-born ADF expert, and he, along with him, has hatched a plan with Muhammad Isa. This is Muhammad Isa, among the commanders who have recently planned to infiltrate and do acts of terrorism in the area. Amigo Kibirige, sometimes known as Simba, this is him, those who don't know him. Muhammad Lumisa, this is Muhammad Lumisa. You get you soft copies of these pictures. And Nasa Hamidu Diru. Nasa Hamid Deiru looks like this. So these are the current planners of the current infiltration, and we suspect one of them to be already in the country. Other sister security agencies have been informed, are on alert, and we will continue working together to protect Ugandans as we have always done. It is simply suicidal